Okay, so today we're going to build an e-commerce website. First of all, I'm going to tell you where the source code is available for the e-commerce website. So this source code is available on GitHub. Just search GitHub on Google. This is my. Then you search my GitHub. I'll just share the link to the source code. But right now,
Umesema kwa GitHub na search.
I'm sharing. I'll share the link in WhatsApp. Hopefully, I have the WhatsApp here.
Sawa.
Yeah. GitHub will come to my repositories. Front end bootcamp. Yeah, this one. This is the entire code of HTML. But now we're going to do the three, since we're doing the second class. So this is the source code. What I'll do. I will click the three. Uh, the three. I'll just try and copy this link. Yeah, like that. And then, oh, WhatsApp. I have to open WhatsApp. I don't want to open my WhatsApp from here. So what I'll do, I'll just paste it here, like that. Once I've pasted there, I'll copy it from this side. So we're going to build something called Smart Shop. I'm going to copy the images. I'm going to download the images. We do have product images and icon and all. Okay, while it's downloading, we're going to create a new folder called Smart Shop. New folder. We're going to name it Smart Shop, like that. I'm going to open it like that. That's how we open a folder. Very simple. But now I don't want to open it like that. I want to open it with Visual Studio Code. So I'll come and click open with code. So first of all, we have to create index.html, like that. That's how we create the first file for our website. That is e-commerce website. We're going to create an e-commerce website for a smart shop. This shop is a e-commerce platform that sells products such as what? Earphones, earbuds, maybe something like that. I already have the images made. So I'm going to hard code each and every line. So you guys, your work is to watch me as I struggle. Yeah, I wanted something like that. So what have I done? I have created the boilerplate of the website. So instead of me had typing each and every line here, I just used semicolon and it refills. But now we have to correct some few things. So doc type HTML, HTML language, and all that. This is all that. I'm going to put the title as Smart Shop. Say Smart Shop with a capital S. No, Smart Shop, like that. Now inside the body, we're going to create icon. Let me just check something. It's already made before we continue. And I can download the folder and make it available. No, I don't want to buy anything here, but I just want to extract it into where? Desktop. Yeah. Okay, so the folder will be, wow, yeah, it's a lot of files, so it takes a little bit of time. Yeah, we already have it inside the desktop. So when I cancel here and click here, then I go to front end. Yeah, we already have it, bootcamp. So I'll come to day 3 and copy. I'll see Smart Shop. I'll just copy images, just like that. I just copy images because I really want to use images. Then paste it here. Yeah, I want to paste images there. So these are images. In this image, we first have product images. We have headphones. This will be our products for the e-commerce. We have keyboard. We have mouse. Yeah, they have a logo smart shop as you can see. We have speaker. We also have favicon.ico, favicon.png. We have logo, the logo for smart shop, then smart shop hero. We have smart shop. We have the head. Let's just go live and see how our website looks like. It's opening. Now we have our smart shop open like that. So this side is where the code goes. This side is where it will display. You can see we have the first R there. Let me remove the R, then save. You can see the R goes out. We have smart shop. You can see we have smart shop here, smart shop in this port. So we are live. So is everybody with me? Paka hapo. First of all, in the page we have body. The body section we're going to put a header. In the header we're going to put the logo itself. The logo is going to be an image, and the source of the image we're going to use images to logo. So we're going to images logo. We're going to drag this logo, shift, then put it here, just like that. Then save. And see we have the logo here as smart shop. Then we do Alt Z so that we can see everything that's happening. Now we're not going to put only the logo in the header, we're also going to put what? We're going to put the heading saying that this is smart shop. So we're going to put heading with H1 smart shop. Yeah. So we have that smart shop. We have smart shop here. Okay. Now having done that, uh, we have to style it. What we're going to do, we're going to create a folder outside here for styles called style sheet. Style styles. Under these styles, we're going to create home.css. Okay. This home.css we want to style the header. And how do we style the header? So what you're going to do, you're going to create first a root style. What is a root style? A root style is as we create a variable whereby each and every style will apply in every particular place in this style sheet. So we do a primary color, that is primary color, then we do hash one, let's say A, B, C, line C maybe. Let's see what color comes in. Okay, let's try. Oh yeah, that color. That's our color. You see, it's almost much. Then we have, let's do a dark color. So we do dark color. Then you can do also light color. So this color will be applied to the light part. So we'll do F. Yeah, you don't have to master the colors. All you have to do, you have to write them down and do deep research of which color you're going to use. So I'm using the root variable so that I can maintain the consistency all through the website. Root variable. Okay, let me just save it. Then it goes like that. So we have the light color. So this is the light color of the primary color, and the dark color is the dark color of the primary color. Okay, we have the root color. Now let's reset the base. How do we reset the base? We do the body, then we do margin of how many? Margin of 0. What is the best font family? We do maybe idols and sheriff. Do you have idol? Leviticus and sheriff, yeah, we have it here. Then what is the best background color? Background color, we do var, then we do light color. Yeah, that's a good background color. So this will apply to all the background colors you can see. Okay, but now it's not applying because we haven't linked the styles with the homepage. How do we link the styles? We do link style sheet, then you do styles, we open the style, then you do style.css. Now when you refresh, the style will take effect. Even you can see smart shop, the text color has changed. Now we have linked the styles and the homepage. Then we do the color itself. The color we're going to do var and then put text color. Yeah, my neighbors are doing injustice to me. Yeah, text color. As you can see, this smart shop, it's not visible, but now the text color has changed. And you can, even if you can see clearly the difference between this color and the color at the background. So that we have that done. Remember, we did the header because you can see this smart shop is way bigger than the the desired outcome. So what do we do? Come here to the header. This header, this one, we want to style this header, so you have to call it header there. And then you say background color with a variable of what? Let's say that color. So the background color will change to dark, yeah, of course, like that. Then you say, what is the color? Of course, color has to be white. Should we text color of white? Did I do white? Yeah, we have text color. Now we have smart shop like that. Then we do padding of 10 pixels. Padding of 10 pixels of center. The width, and we give it a width of 8. So we have like that, something like that. Then you give it an alt. What did I say an alt is? Alt is a description. So it's smart shop logo. Now when you zoom, when the logo is not available, we have the alt. Let's say it gives us now the alt. Now we have the logo. Okay, now we have that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create an HR. HR is what? It's a line. But first, you have to navigate. Always a website has a navigation. That is navigation from home page to what? To contacts page to products page. So we're going to do A, and we have to create a new index.html, but that we do later. Let's just comment that out. So navigation we do it later. So we can go and do hero section. Hero section. We're going to create a section maybe with the element called section, and then we're going to give it a class name called hero. We do shop. Let's say smart dot, let's say live beta, something like that. We have each as H2. Then we have a paragraph where we'll do discover, quality, product, uh, at unbeatable price, something like that. So it should take an effect. Why is it not showing? Oh yeah, we have it here. It's not showing because the font color is different. So let's just go back to CSS. We're going to style the hero itself. So what we'll do, we call it as hero, like that. Then we do the background color. Say okay. Now we have the background as the image itself. So how do we add the background as an image? You do URL. So yeah, images, favicon, product image, matchup, low, hero. Yeah, we have that as the background. Let's see if it takes effects. Of course, it won't take effect. A non-property background image is not. Oh, it's not supposed to be image. It's supposed to be image, not a img. It's not taking effect. Image. Yeah, let's do. Yeah, we have the background image. But now the background image is just here. We want it to fill the entire room. How do we fill it to the entire room? What do we do? We do first of all say background size. Yeah, size. We do cover. It should cover everywhere. So it covers from side to side. Background image covers. Additionally, say background position. Position. We put it where? Center. Then we say color. Bar. Yeah, the text is white. Now we see smart shop. The background image is there. And we have that. You have text align. Center. And then we have padding. 100 px, 20 px. 100 px, 20 px. Yeah, something like that. Now we have smart shop, blah blah blah, and it's very beautiful. But now we have to make it even better because the text doesn't look good. So what do? We just select also the hero using its class name, then you use h2. That's where we're going to do it. We're going to do the style for the hero h2. Then we do font size. We put it, give it a 40 pixels. Yeah, now that's better. What else do we need to add in our homepage? We have to have a button, a CTA. What does a CTA mean? Anyone with any idea of a CTA? It's call to action. So this will be A, not capitalized A, but A made in small letters. So we call it A. Oops, Control Z. href. Let's just put hash there. This href will put a button. This button is like shop. Now let's see. Yeah, we have this button here, shop now. I think we're almost done with the hero section. So we have only footer. So what we'll do, we create a footer here. And then footer will put something like that at 2026 smart shop reserved. Of course, alright, I reserved for the smart shop. So I'll come here to home and try and style the buttons. Let's say we have this button. This button will say a background color over primary color. Control plus S, Alt Z, so that you can see. Also, we have what a color. I'm only talking to myself. Point. So when I hover like that, it points. So let's see with text effect. Yeah, nice one. So the button looks nice. Now I want to improve on the button. Let's say I hover. Let's say I have hover. So when someone hovers through the button, the background color changes to what? Let's say hash 17A589. So when I hover, it should change the color to 5781. Wow, it's not changing. It's pointer. Okay, let me just put it on a dark color. Let me just do var, then dark background color. And see. Oh, hover. Oh, yeah, I see now what's the problem. This space is the problem. Yeah, I hover, but now that dark color is too much dark. So what do we do? We put that color that I used before 17A 589, something like that. When I hover, yeah, you can see the difference. Yeah, I think we are done with styling the homepage. We're done with this part.